Hi everyone, I would like to share one device with you today. It's a Morse Tutor made by Datong, model number is D70. They were produced in 1980s in England, Datong company. I already opened it up so I can show you inside. Well, it's very practical device. Uh, it uh, it can make simulation of Morse code up to 37 word per minute, and it has a delay and the calibration. This with this switch you can choose letters or number or mixed for practicing. This is the volume setting. Also on the back side you have a key input where you can also practice your sending, and phones to not use the internal speaker, so you can hook up the headphones and practice your reception of Morse code. It works with a 9-volt battery. Let me turn on to show you. The speaker, you can hear, and here you can do the speeds slow. That was 7 word per minute. Let's bring to 15 and maybe 20 word per minute. 20 word per minute, and then 37 word per minute. It's very fast. Let's see inside. So I already opened it. You can see there is a 9-volt battery, and it has a very simple circuit, and build quality is amazing. It's very high quality PCB they have made it, so even after so many years it's working fine. I just clean it. There were no rust or anything, but I put some contact spray on the variable resistors just in case. But yeah, so nowadays there are many software available and the programs online where you can learn Morse code and practice, but this is also practical device which doesn't require any computer or something. Just to turn it on and one can practice. Very nice device indeed, and you can see the whole circuit. I'm sure you will be able to see, and the operating manual and the service manual is available online, but operating is very straightforward. One doesn't require any operating manual, but if service is required, then but I don't think that even the service is required, but only one electrolytic capacitor is used. Other they are ceramic ones, and these are the only culprit. With the time the electrolytic get dried out and circuit doesn't perform. Usually integrated circuits and chips, they don't fail until unless you input the wrong voltage or wrong polarity. Only the thing which goes bad in electronic in the long run with the time is electrolytic capacitor. But this one looks good, and yeah, otherwise if you keep in the dry place where it cannot, the PCB doesn't get rust, that will work for centuries. I get very simple circuitry and very good high quality electronic components are used. The diodes I can see and the resistors, very high quality material they have used in this device. So yeah, maybe For someone who would like to practice, learn Morse code or improve speed and practice, this can be a very nice device. Can be in the backpack, yeah, or in the big jacket pocket, and on the go one can practice is Morse code reception, and even transmitting is possible, transmitting practice by using the key. So there you go. I would like to share with my fellow hams. These are old devices, not many available, not many seen nowadays, but very practical ones. I thank you very much for your time, and also I would like to thank you all the people who subscribe my channel. I have more than 2000 subscriber now. Thank you everyone. Without your subscription, it gave me encouragement to make such a video regarding my hobby. Thank you, and bye bye till next time.